It worked a little. My garage has a moat now. So here's the top of the ice, and here's the handle for the garage. That's where the bottom of the door is. So we got probably 3 or 4 inches of ice here. Hopefully I can chip through enough and pry it up maybe. I don't know. Ice gets underneath the door, so it's really hard to get any leverage to actually get this garage door just lifted up. Alright, so new game plan. I found a bag of rock salt. It's pretty nasty. It's just old. It's been sitting around. Let me show you what it looks like. Reach your hand into a dark bag and see what you can pull out. Like a fear factor kind of thing. So that's what the nasty rock salt looks like. I think it got a little wet. Maybe it'll help a little bit. We'll find out. I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds like it's working. A little bit. I also decided to grab Mini Thor here, and we'll try to pound down on the ice pick here, and I don't know, maybe make something happen. We'll find out. Well, it worked a little. Now I just have this pond here. It's like a moat. My garage has a moat now. Wouldn't that be cool if I had something actually spectacular in here? But nope, just the crappy old Jeep. Just salty water now. I don't think it's going down deep enough, and I think this rock salt is just done. This door still isn't budging at all. It's supposed to be like 50 degrees tomorrow and 60 the day after that. We're supposed to get a little bit of rain, but I'm hoping it's warm enough, and with all that salt I just dumped on it, I'm hoping that it's gonna melt and I can actually get back into my garage. What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're actually gonna do some work on Project No Name. Let's get some work done. Alright, since I still couldn't get into my garage, we're going to do some work on Project No Name today. We're gonna clean up the throttle body. The throttle body is just nasty. It was without a hood for a long time on the Jeep, so it just really needs to be cleaned up, and I figure I can't really do a whole hell of a lot else. It's really not even warm enough to try to start it. I still have to do some things, so might as well replace things and clean up things, so that way when the nice weather hits, we can actually get it started and rolling. But before we get started too far, we're going to have to scrape some of the ice and snow off the hood. Let's do that first. Stupid wind. Yeah. Note to self, it doesn't taste good. Spray some in and let it soak for a minute. Should run like a new Jeep after this. Definitely hard to get down in these little nooks and crannies, but we'll make sure to open that up, clean it out. Oh yeah, there's some nastiness here too. I probably picked the worst day to do this. My hands are freezing now. Got a slight wind. Well, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was, and my hands are freezing, so we're gonna get this back in the Jeep. If you guys have never taken off your throttle body on your 4.0 engine or any engine, it's usually not that complicated. I'm gonna link to a great video by D&E in the Garage, Doug and Eric. Doug did a really good video on how to take apart your throttle body, explains about all the sensors, shows how to take it off, put it back on, so that way if you've never done it before, it's a great video. With the garage being frozen, that's about it right now for Project No Name. It was a little warmer the other day, and it's like 30 degrees now, but that wind is just freezing. My hands are a little bit numb right now. I'm gonna go inside and get warm. As always guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin', I'm out.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage.